What's up, gremlins? Today, we've got a few things to fix. They're all little stuff, but it should help make the Eclipse work. This one. This one's fine. This one needs fixing. There's a lot going on here. A lot of stuff that I don't like. Let's fix that. You need to go. One, this thing, I don't know how old this thing is, but it's super blocked up and there's a hole in it. So yeah, that's done. For two, this thing needs a deep clean, like deep. Mariana's Trench type deep. This thing's disgusting. I'm sweating already, I just started. Florida is absurd. Nope, 14? Nope, 13, you kidding? Oh, I forgot this is a Chrysler engine, isn't it? We're gonna be using Imperial. That's disgusting. Okay. I have it. It is out. This is the throttle body. And this thing right here is what we need to replace. It is a T20 screw. There we go. It looks pretty rough. It still moves really out with the old and even the new one. There we go. Now we can clean this thing and put it back in. Let's do throttle cable. And job done. Now for what I hope will fix the overheating issue, replacing the thermostat. We're probably gonna lose some fluid doing this, but I'm gonna take the top hose off and find my wrench. There we go. Ooh, it is not very nice in there. This hose is filled with gunk, so I'm gonna put it back on for now. But honestly, I think what I wanna do eventually is just replace all of the cooling parts, like the radiator, this housing, all the hoses, because yeah, that's not good. I've tried clearing it out a little bit better, but wow, yeah. There's a bunch of like rust and sediment in there. Ooh, yeah, crunchy. All right, we are switching to my action camera because it's like 98 degrees Fahrenheit in here right now, like 34, 35 degrees Celsius. It's insane. And the camera keeps overheating. So right where we left off, we got thermostat is loose. I'm just gonna take the bolts off, or thermostat housing, excuse me, is loose, and take the thermostat out, replace it, and then hopefully all of our cooling issues will be resolved. Okay, so that is the thermostat housing. I don't know what the hell that is. Wow. Is that, oh yeah, that's the pin for the thermostat, I think. Makes sense. Oh well, okay. We have a lot of crackheads around here. Clean up the housing a little bit. We definitely still need a new one. That's for you. Ooh. Yeah, no wonder. It's stuck like half open. Makes sense. That, I'm pretty sure, was our problem. It's stuck like half open. That's okay, simple fix. So that pin is the middle of the thermostat. And I guess it shot out and the thermostat stopped working properly. That makes a lot of sense now because this car, it wasn't overheating. Like sometimes it would just run fine. Obviously the drive home, it did a lot. It is overheated 2 more times. I've topped it up with coolant, dumped an entire bottle into it. But then since then, it was fine. I thought it was strange that it was sometimes overheating and sometimes not. But no, that makes a lot of sense because it's half open. Not all of the fluid is getting through the thermostat. Oh, fuck. I just cracked the housing. Well, it's all got to come out again. Great. And the battery's dead. Really good. Really good time. Really, really good. Honestly, that was just a sign. If it cracks that easily, it needed to be taken out. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but just right around here on the inside, I just tightened it a little bit too tight and I cracked it. So, you need one of those. Gotta jump the battery. Gotta find that. Hey man, I made a grave mistake. I broke something. Yes, this, I broke it. Now I need new one. It was a very unfortunate series of events. This junk. This junk. This junk. So now I gotta try and find a replacement one of these. Damn it. This really isn't helping. I can't see a thing. But they do look sick though. Beanies, hats, shirts, hoodies, and more. Rhialize has plenty of items to give your wardrobe a little bit of spice. So go check them out at Rhialize.com and go see for yourself. This one might be my favorite. While these sick beanies might not help you see at night, you know what does? New headlights from Auxito. Yeah, we're going back to back. So, Auxito, this company right here, very, very kindly sent me over some high beam and low beam headlight bulbs, which I'm in desperate need of if I want to take this car eventually, when it looks a little prettier, to some evening car meets and even just drive it at night. These are both A1 series Ultras, what they call them on the website, and I am super excited to see how these compare to the original 27-year-old halogen bulbs on this Eclipse. You guys can get the first look. Oh, all right. Gloves. Well, I don't have any clean ones, so we're gonna pop her open. Oh, they are. Oh, wow! Look at that. Okay. I feel like a cat burglar once again. Wow, they are beefy. Check that thing out. These should be significantly brighter and have way more distance coverage than your typical halogen bulbs or even most LEDs. It looks like something out of a spaceship. And this particular line, the A1 series, is supposed to be incredibly easy to install. Let's see, shall we? Now this is how the old ones are looking. Real nasty, real yellow. You can barely see them. Honestly, like, it looks so much better on camera. They don't even look like they're on in person. That's ridiculous. So yeah, I'm very excited to swap these out for something much, much better. Let's get to it. First, we got a little cover to keep out the water. There's just a little metal clip that you have to pull away, and then you can detach the old bulb. So that is our old one. It seems like a pretty new bulb, but why not change it when you have some beasts like these? In with the new one. Maybe that's a clip. There we go. Now we'll just slide it back into where it was. Pretty clean, huh? So there you go. That's the low beam. Already looks so much better. Way cleaner color. None of that 27-year-old gross yellow that really makes the car feel and look super old. I'll finally be able to see at night, which is great. Oh, let me show you the high beams. How you look, huh? Pretty good? So there you go. Auxito, thank you again for sending me these out. Really appreciate them. It's gonna really improve this car. If you guys wanna grab a pair, links in the description. Go check them out. And yeah, why wait on upgrading your car?